Greetings YouTubers, thanks for checking out my progress video. Here is my YouTube channel, How to Webmaster, and in October 2020, here are my stats. My views gone down 5%, watch time gone down as well, subscriber about the same, and the revenue is about the same as the previous month before that, $800. I have not been making new videos, but then again, my normal new video uploads usually only get about 50 to 100 video views anyways, so not a whole lot of views. My channel depends mostly on tutorial videos, and the views come from natural rankings. So here you can see top videos in the previous month of October getting thousands of views. So these are very old videos, 2019, 18, 2019, and estimated revenue is pretty high for my kind of channel since it has a lot of commercial value. So let's check out the ad rates. Here's the rate per milli, rate per thousand, and CPM playback based on the ads that are showing up in the videos. So I got almost $30. Anyways, that's the quick little update. Hopefully hit 1,000 someday soon. Okay, thanks so much, and until next time, happy YouTubing.